Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I make abacha, Nigerian delicious delicacy without potash. So if you love to eat abacha but you don't like potash, or you live abroad you can't get potash, keep watching and see how I make this delicious delicacy, abacha, African salad without potash. So let's dive into it. First, this is what we call abacha or tapioca. It is made from cassava. So if you've not seen it before, this is what it looks like. In this video, we are using this slim dried one, and it is dry, so we are going to make it soft. So keep watching and see how I do that. If you watch halfway, you will not really get how I made the delicious delicacy. So keep watching and don't go away. I will leave all the quantities of ingredients used in this video on the description box down below. So my number 2 ingredient is catfish. I'll be going with catfish for today's abacha, and it's going to be good. So keep watching and see how I marinate this catfish to make it look tantalizing. And then number 3, I must use ingredients for abacha is Ehuru, known as calabash, nutmeg. Keep watching and see how I prepare this to get the aroma we need for our abacha. If you watch halfway, you will not get it. So keep watching, and you are highly welcome if this is your first time in this channel. So another ingredient is palm oil, and it must be used for abacha. Then I have garden egg to garnish the abacha after making it. Do not go away. See how I prepare all these ingredients. So here I have seasoning, salt, garlic, ginger, and curry powder to marinate the fish. And then I have crayfish. I will not blend this crayfish or dry prawns. So watch and see how I prepare it for this delicious delicacy, everyone. And then in this plate I have yellow chili pepper, garlic and ginger blended together to marinate the fish. And then so the next thing I do is to get a bigger bowl, transfer my abacha or tapioca, then pour a generous amount of water to cover it properly. Exactly what you see me do on the screen. So I cover it and allow it to soak for 40 to 25 minutes. So while this is aside, I'll go ahead and take a knife to cut the fresh fish, not just too deep. Doing this allows your seasoning or your spice to get into it. So after that, I transferred it to a clean bowl and go ahead with my curry powder, salt, seasoning, and my fresh yellow chili pepper, garlic, and ginger, and then mix to combine. After mixing this together, I'll be grilling this. I'll put it on grill for 40 minutes behind camera. Grill yours according to the features of your oven, everyone. Keep watching, don't go away. Let's prepare this together, everyone. And you are highly welcome always to my channel. So while I grill this behind camera, the next thing I do is that on a clean dry pot, after placing it on a medium flame, I go ahead with my Ehuru or calabash, nutmeg, and stir it on a medium flame till it turns brown. And if you notice, I did not break it open. While they frying it, it begins to open like what you see on my hand. So some like to peel it first before frying, but I like to do it this way because it's open by itself. So at this point, you notice that it is turning brown. The reason you stir fry is to give it this nice aroma and flavor to your Abacha African salad. So after say frying, allowing it to cool, the next thing I do is to break it open because we do not need the back. So I'll be peeling it off exactly how I do it on the screen. Is the way you peel off the back, especially those who do not open while stay frying. Keep watching, like I said, and see how I prepare all of the ingredients. So after peeling, this is what it looks like. I'll blend this off camera, everyone. So while that is aside, I place my pot on fire. When it gets hot, I add my palm oil and then cover it and allow it to blanch on a medium flame for 1 minute. Please make sure you use a good cover pot so that you do not choke. So after 1 minute, please allow it to cool before adding your onions. So after that, I just added my onions, then go ahead with my dry prawn or crayfish. So this is when I add my crayfish and my ehuru, that is calabash, nutmeg. Then I will stir fry this in 3 ingredients together for 10 minutes. Sorry, I'll stir fry this for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. So I just added my seasoning. I added black pepper, salt, and continue to stir fry. After stir frying on low flame, everyone, for 5 to 10 minutes, the next thing I do is to add my abacha or tapioca and then mix to combine. Mix until all the ingredients blends together with your abacha or tapioca. This method is very simple and it's super delicious, more delicious compared to the one made with potash. Try it exactly the way I made it here. Follow the step and try it and give me your feedback at the comment section down below. This is super delicious, super delicious, and that is why I say, why won't I share this with my friends and families here? Hello everyone, there are more videos on this channel, yummy recipes, banana soup, and the rest. I'll be leaving my playlist down below. Please do click on them and watch and share the videos to your friends and families, and don't forget to support my channel by watching the ads. So I stir fry this mix to combine for at least 5 minutes on a low flame, everyone. So you can see the aroma of this abacha or tapioca has taken over my clothing and everywhere. So it is ready and transferring to a plate to be served. And then my catfish is ready, properly grilled but not over grilled. So at this point, I'm just transferring it to the plate. Tell me what you see about this, and then I'll garnish it with onions. Do the same if you like onions. Then with my garden egg and some pepper to go with. Tell me in the comment section what you like about this abacha, and if you watched to this point, thanks so much. I really appreciate this. So our Nigerian delicious delicacy is ready. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this yummy recipe if this is your first time here in Nigeria, especially in this holiday. Super delicious. It goes with anything. You can eat it as dinner, lunch, breakfast. The choice is yours, everyone. Thanks so much, generous subscribers, for your wonderful support always. Stay safe, stay connected, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.